All right, now let's set up Mailgun. But before we do, I want to point out that in this example, I'm using CloudFlare to manage my DNS records. You might be using GoDaddy or Google Domains or something similar. They're all pretty much the same when it comes to this configuration. Mailgun is basically going to say, hey, you need to go create these records in your DNS. The only difference can be that some registrars require you to enter the whole subdomain, and some just require what's before the period, like you'll see in CloudFlare. If you're having an issue, you can always try it both ways, and what's important is that you get the green check marks at the end, which I'll show you in a minute. But if you need support, Mailgun has help docs specific to most of the most popular registrars like GoDaddy that you can check out, or you can always head over to gohighlevel.com/support and we'll be happy to help you get this configured as well. So let's hop in. Okay, so let's go ahead and configure our Mailgun account. I already have some domains configured, but for this demo, I'm gonna add a new one. And as you can see, it's making the suggestion of mg.mydomain.com. This subdomain could be whatever you'd like. It could be replies, whatever you'd like, but I'm gonna go ahead and use their suggestion and do mg with the domain that I have for this demo. And here we can see all the values that we now need to set in our DNS. So the nice thing with CloudFlare is you only have to worry about what's in front of the root domain. So for this first TXT record, we just need mg and then this value. So I'm gonna hit this button to copy it. I'm gonna come back over here. I'm gonna add a new record and I'm gonna go down to TXT. We just need mg, paste the value, hit save. Great, next up, another TXT record. This one, we need to grab everything in front of the root. I'm gonna paste it. We're gonna come back, click this to copy the value, and we're gonna hit save. Next up, we have an MX record. So again, we just need mg because that's the only thing in front of the root. Our priority is 10, and I'm gonna copy our value. I'm gonna hop back over here, change this to MX. Where's MX? There we go. And we're gonna do mg, our value, and our priority was 10. So we're gonna hit save. Here we go. Next up is a second one, and again, it's just mg, and the value is 10 again. So we're gonna go here and mg, paste our value. Our priority is 10, save. Last, we have our CNAME. So we need to grab both of these because that's what's in front of our root. We're gonna change this to a CNAME, paste those. Let's go get our target. Paste that. And the one thing to remember when setting your CNAME is you do not want this one to be proxied or Mailgun won't be able to see it. So if we turn that off and hit save, there we go. Now we're gonna pop back over here and we're gonna click this verify DNS. This is now gonna go check, and this can be a little confusing because it doesn't take you straight to the results. So what you wanna do is you wanna head over here back to domains and then click domain settings. Make sure you're in the right domain and go over here to DNS records. And what you wanna see are these green check marks. If everything is checked, you are good to go. All you need to do is go back over here to your icon, click security, and the quicker way to do it is to click API keys, and you just hit this, which will show your key. You would copy that, bring it back over here into high level and paste it, and you're good to go.